Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my July beauty box unboxings with Birchbox, Ipsy, Boxycharm, SingleMomMafia, and Facetory. We have so many boxes to unbox today, so let's just get into it. Also, I don't really remember the last time I wore pink lipstick like this, but it's definitely a mood. I have like faux freckles on. I think I got like really inspired by like my t-shirt, so yeah. Let's get into the video. First up, we have Birchbox. I actually went to unsubscribe from Birchbox the other day. I've just been really disappointed, haven't been wowed from them, and I just get tiny little half-empty tubes of products I never use. But I can't unsubscribe until my like year is over. I do like the yearly subscription, so I have like 5 more months, I think. It kind of sucks that you can't just unsubscribe. It's been a long 8 years, Birchbox, but time we part. So first thing we have in here is by Marcel. This is the 24-hour anti-pollution day and night moisturizing emulsion, hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, paraben-free, and non-comedogenic. This moisturizer shields skin from environmental stressors while hydrating and brightening the skin. Next up, we have a product from Amika. This is the Curl Corpse Defining Cream. I love their packaging so much. It's so fun, and a lot of their products smell really, really good. I'm curious to smell this. Oh my god. Seriously? Oh my god, it smells so freaking good though. Smoothing cream full of vitamins A and C plus omega-7 defrizzes and adds light hold to curls, waves, and coils. That definitely sounds like my hair type, something that I would really like. It does contain macadamia oil in it, so why, Amika, why? Next up, we have this teeny tiny little baby tube from Arrow. It's the Revitalized Under Eye Brightening Serum. I'm like squinting my eyes to read the tiny text. This is in light medium, okay. Skincare meets makeup pen is your morning savior. Made with ginseng and caffeine, the serum depuffs, soothes, and provides light coverage to brighten your under eyes. That is really interesting. Let's see what the shade looks like. Oh my god, it's sealed, but that's literally the tiniest little seal I've ever seen. Can you guys even see that? Oh my god. I dropped it and I can't see it anywhere. I don't know where that went. It does have like a skin color to it. When I blend it out, it absorbs like incredibly quickly and it's super, super sheer. Like honestly, that's really not gonna give you any coverage, but I don't know, it's like a really interesting product. So, ooh, I love Juliet Has a Gun. They have like some amazing smelling perfumes. I actually own a full-size one. This one is in a Moscow Mule, which is like my favorite cocktail of choice. I'm very excited to smell this. So I have this tiny little perfume thingy. Let me spritz some on the paper. Okay, so it does have like a very strong powder scent, like it kind of hits you. I'm not always a fan of that. It does smell very clean and fresh, but it's like something that I would spray in my restroom or have like a candle for the restroom or like potpourri. That's kind of the vibes it's giving me. You do get like a little bit of like this lime, this very fresh kind of citrus. Oh, if that powder was not there, ooh, it smells so good. Last thing we have in here is the Aiko. Ooh, I'm like tasting the perfume. It is very pungent. This is the Aiko Brow Liner Medium Shape and Define. Ooh, this is one of like those like little felt tip brow products that are kind of like sheer, very easy to work with. You can do very fine hairs. So that's like fully there, and then if you wipe it down a little, kind of shears out. These are very interesting products. I actually really like stuff like this for creating like faux freckles. So yeah, I'll definitely use this, and I love Aiko. That was everything in my Birchbox. Honestly, it wasn't really that exciting, and I was really excited about this brow product, but the more it's kind of sitting on the back of my hand, it looks straight up green, like green gray. I don't know how that's gonna look on my eyebrows. Anyways, other than that, like every other product was kind of, I'm probably not gonna use it, to be very honest. Let's move on. Okay, how long did I have lipstick on my teeth for? If I have lipstick on my teeth anytime in this video, just please ignore it, because apparently I don't know how to talk with colorful lipstick on. So here we have July's Ipsy bag. I see a very subtle little hint of hollow in this bag. It's like there but not there. It's not a super exciting bag. It's like definitely not my favorite, but it's what's inside that counts. So something that actually came separate from inside of it because it doesn't fit are 2 sheet masks. They've definitely done this before. This is from Callioe. I'm not gonna even try to pronounce that, but this is a coffee sheet mask, guys. So this is the Coffee Arabica Seed Extract Caffeine Rush Nourishing Sheet Mask. There are two of them. If you don't know, I freaking love coffee so much. I hope they smell like coffee. I'm very excited to use these. Yay. Second thing we have in here is by Elizabeth Mott. This is the Tapered Blending Brush. Ooh. Oh, I like this brush. Lavender with rose gold. I love these types of brushes. It's going to be like a pretty universal brush. Eyes, nose contour, a little bit of highlight. Actually, I'm very excited about this. Next up, we have a product from Wander Beauty. I think I've gotten this before. This is the Glotion Lotion Illuminatrix. Yes, I have actually gotten this before. I think I used it once before I just like tossed it because at that point, I don't know. It's not a bad product, but again, like I don't really use a lot of glowy liquid products. If I wear it under my foundation, it doesn't really do much. It is a beautiful product. It's a very beautiful glow, and this brand is, I think it's kind of like Bouge, if I'm not wrong. But yeah, I just personally don't use products like this a lot, but it is a really nice one, and it ow, it does feel incredibly empty. I will say that. Next up, we have another product from Aiko. Ooh, this is the Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in black. It's a travel size. I think I've tried this before. Either way, I've heard amazing things about it. I love like felt tip eyeliners. That's my favorite way to put on a wing. Look at that, so cute. Let me do a little swatch. Ooh, so black, so pigmented. And the last thing we have, okay, so this is a full size Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour waterproof concealer. They sent me this shade Fair, which for me is even a little too fair. I don't know if they sent this shade to everyone or how exactly that works. It is awesome to get a full-size concealer. I believe it's like, I don't know, like $24 or something. But yeah, interesting, cool. All right, so that was everything in my Ipsy bag. These three products are probably going to be my favorite. I'm definitely going to be using these a lot. Very excited. It's not that I don't like these two products, it's just I don't use products like this, and this shade is a little bit too fair for me personally. I do have my own shade that I use, so yeah. Next up, we have July's Boxycharm. As usual, I do have a link where you guys can sign up down below if you're interested. It is an affiliate link. Feel free to use it. If you don't want to use it, you don't have to. But if you do, thank you so very much. Let us see what's inside. So last month I actually did like a separate try-on Boxycharm unboxing, and you guys seem to really enjoy that. I will do more of them. I'm just gonna like alternate. Like sometimes I'll do a video like that, sometimes I'll do a video like this. First thing in here we have is from Note, and this is a Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. Ooh! I have the shade Desert Rose, which that does sound like it would be a Jess shade in a blush. Let's open it up. Ooh! That is really pretty. Very like soft, peachy, rosy shade. I'm gonna do a little swatch. Oh, that is so soft. The pigmentation looks, oh wow, that's a lot more peachier on the skin than I was expecting. Like very, very peachy. If you love a peachy orangey blush, this is gonna be perfect for you. Oh, and it opens up and you have like a little hidden brush down there. Very interesting packaging. I can't get over how good that felt. Next up, we have the Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. Okay, so we have a angled brush on one side. I'm assuming down. Oh, okay, so there's actually cream in there. So you dip the brush and you, oh, this is actually like probably not the greatest packaging idea. Okay, I didn't grab anything. How hard am I supposed to? We got some product right there. I love the shade. I've actually been using the Cella Tantalizing Taupe Brow Pencil for so many years. I really love it a lot. But yeah, this is a very interesting product. I don't know how I feel about the product being in like such a tiny little place. We'll try it out. We have the Dr. Brand Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Oh, I don't think I've tried this one. I get a lot of Dr. Brandt products in Boxycharm, I've noticed, but I don't think I've tried the eye gel. Is this open? Is there something? Oh, it's orange, and that was hella thick. Oh, that looks interesting. It's like a very water-like gel feeling. It absorbs really nicely. It feels super smooth. It's like orange. That's so interesting. I'll definitely be using this because I'm running out of my eye cream, so yay. All right, we have another Wander Beauty product. Very interesting. This is the Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. Oh, it's a mascara. This looks like I would love it. It kind of has like a little curve to it, but it's very bristly and fluffy. I'm gonna try this out. I really hope I like it. And lastly, at the very bottom of the box, we have a bubble wrapped palette. This is from Crown Pro. What can it be? I have actually no idea because it says nothing on it. I'm gonna assume eyeshadows maybe. Oh, okay, so it is an eyeshadow palette. Those are really pretty colors, very aesthetically pleasing palette, I do have to say. I'm gonna give a little swatcheroo on some of these. Oh, those are some swatches from the palette. That's actually so not disappointing, and I'm very, very happy. It's a really pretty everyday palette. Definitely has like more like warm tones. I don't know what the name of this is though. Does this have a name? Nope. So that was everything in my Boxycharm. The eyeshadow palette, the mascara, and the under eye cream. Those are probably my favorite products. I do love the blush, but it's just kind of like a shade I don't really wear often. I'll definitely try it. Who knows? Maybe I'll become like obsessed with that color. This, I really want to love this. I'm gonna have to try it on my brows to see. I just don't really like the packaging that much, but I do love the brow color. Tantalizing Taupe is what I use. So yeah, not too bad. Next up we have Facetory, which is a monthly subscription box for sheet masks. I love sheet masks. They're very easy to use, and it's always a lot of fun to pick one out because they just have like the cutest packagings. We have little postcards inside. They've given me a code, mesijesibeauty, for your subscribers to get 20% off their first ever 4 kit or 7 Lux box purchase. The one that I'm unboxing is the 7 Lux, so I have 7 sheet masks. You can pick 7 or you can pick full. We have a polka dot sheet mask burrito today. That's so cute. First up we have the Yada Soothing Jelly Pack. I think I've seen like the pink version of this one. Maybe. The packaging looks very familiar, but this is going to be very soothing and hydrating. It has aloe in it. Very excited. This one is from Medius, whatever it's called. It's a cream mask gold sericine. What are these words I cannot pronounce? I'm so sorry. Strengthening firmness. We all like to be firm. Okay, this one is adorable. It has a Mona Lisa on it. This is from, oh god, I can't pronounce these names. I'm just gonna give up. This is a firming mask. Smooth softness, just a little bit. Oh, this one's cute too. I get a kick out of the packaging, honestly. London Shopper, Dr. Lola, Cloud Key, Wrinkle Iron. What? I'm just a little confused as to why it says Wrinkle Iron and it has like a little picture of an iron there. Am I supposed to iron this mask before I use? I'm just kidding, don't do that. This next one is from Berisum. It's Oops Soda Bubble Mask Aqua Fruit. Ooh, sounds delicious. I tried a bubble mask in one of my videos. I think it was like me testing out Rude Cosmetics, and it was entertaining to say the least. So I'm very excited to use this one. We have the Wonjin Beauty Group Step 1, Step 2, Step 3. So you have the Amino Up Toner, Lifting Eye Gel, and then the mask. That's actually pretty cool. You have like 3 different things in here. This looks familiar. Oh my god. Lastly, we have the Antia No Filter Moisturizing Camera Mask. I feel like, yes, I have gotten this before, but it was yellow. It was a yellow one. Maybe it did something different. What does this one do? This looks like it does a lot of things. Softens, smooths, protects, moisturizes, keeps your skin protected from environmental damages, reduces the appearance of blemishes, provides additional benefits for aging skin. It's a lot of good stuff. I know what I'm doing tonight. The last box we have is the SingleMomMafia Sunglass subscription box. I introduced this in my June unboxing video. It's just a really fun idea. I do have a code you guys can use. It's Jesi10. I got a lot of people asking me how much the subscription box was, and I just really didn't realize I didn't mention it at all. It is $34 a month, but I think they have like specials if you get like a package of a certain amount of months, I believe. So you guys can check that out on the website, but I believe it's $34 for 1 month. I see something in here that's definitely gonna match my outfit, but I'm gonna save that for last. The first pair of sunglasses we have in here are, oh my god, these are so cute. Let me first take them out. So the frame on these ones are actually really cool. It kind of has like this transparent, smoky gray look to it, and the lenses on them are really dark. I love these. I'm gonna try them on. Oh yeah. Sometimes big oversized sunglasses make me look like a bug, but these ones are actually kind of like fashionable. I definitely could wear these and they match my face shape. I love this like smoky, transparent matte frame. Like just really cute. And the second pair are these super funky retro ones that I think are gonna like match my outfit so well. Very excited. These are definitely the type of sunglasses where you would take like a really cool selfie with. I mean, if this is not a look right now, I don't know what is. These are just, I feel fabulous in these. Let's go shopping. And with that, the unboxing is over, sadly. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what your favorite boxes are out there, because once I kind of get rid of Birchbox, I'm definitely going to be introducing another new box to my unboxings. So let me know in the comments down below. As usual, don't forget to follow me on Twitter, mesijesibeauty, Snapchat, JesiJed. Instagram is really where it's at, Makeup by Jesi. Of course, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do so before you go. Also hit that little bell icon so you're notified every time I post a video and you don't miss out. With all of that said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!